The London Fire Brigade highlights the increasing risk of lithium-ion battery fires, especially in e-bikes and e-scooters. These fires are becoming more frequent, occurring every 2 days in London, often in homes due to charging mishaps. To ensure safety, it's crucial to use the right charger, monitor charging, store batteries properly, and handle disposal responsibly. These steps can significantly reduce the risk of fires and ensure safe usage of e-bikes and e-scooters. Always opt for chargers that are provided or approved by the manufacturer. Charging should be done in well-ventilated areas, away from flammable materials, to prevent any potential hazards. E-bikes and e-scooters should be stored in cool, dry places, away from direct heat or freezing temperatures. Avoid hallways or escape routes to prevent blocking exits and creating fire hazards. Unplug batteries once charging is complete and never leave them unattended, especially overnight. Installing smoke or heat alarms near charging areas can help detect problems early and prevent fires. Never dispose of lithium-ion batteries in regular trash or recycling. They can catch fire if damaged. Always take them to a specialist recycling center or return them to the manufacturer when it's time to replace them. In case of a battery fire, evacuate the area immediately and call emergency services. Attempting to extinguish a lithium-ion battery fire yourself can be extremely dangerous.